Now from the Heritage Studios, we're here to talk about gauge, or the thickness of the bag. The higher the number, the thicker the bag. But remember, the object is to use the thinnest, smallest bag that works 100% of the time to transfer trash from point A to point B. A common misconception in the industry is that a thicker bag will always outperform a thinner bag. The reality is, through our advanced polymer blends, our manufacturing techniques, and the fact that we put a natural mineral additive for strength in our bags, our thinner bags often outperform other thicker bags in the industry. Now that we've talked about our manufacturing techniques and our polymer blends, I want to show you how we assure you that our bags are going to be of the highest quality. We do several different tests. One is a static dry load test with dry trash in it. And then we've got two different tests. This particular one is an apparatus that measures the resistance to puncture of our bags. And this apparatus determines the resistance of tear of our bags. Another determining factor is the type of resin that is used. These two resins are virgin, or they've never been melted before, and this is reprocessed resin, which has been melted several times. We have both. Virgin resin that's never been melted before is stronger. Now, when I say that this is a less expensive resin, it is for a raw material, but you have to use a thicker version of this to achieve the performance of these two. So you have a thick bag, which is going to the landfill after its use, or you can use a stronger, thinner bag, which are these two, which are virgin resin bags. So how do you decide which gauge to sell your customer? Well, first you need to consider what type of trash they're putting into the can and what size the can is. Now, this chart here and the following chart are in your Quick Pick Guide and your can liner brochure. This one is linear low density, and you'll see on the far right it talks about the range for the smaller cans, the mid-size cans, and the larger cans for linear low density and high density. The bigger the receptacle, the more likely they are going to put more trash into that receptacle, so you're going to want a thicker gauge. At Heritage Bag, we are your can liner experts.